I'm here to present the Lifetime Achievement Award. It's to a band who first made traditional music very, very cool in this country. They also made it mysterious. Agus honnig sé das och anvog tirchonel, but you down our fod. They spread the word and made Irish traditional music what it is today. Clannad.
Long ago, in the wild northwest, in a town made of gold called Gidor, there lived a family who fell under the spell of a great wizard named Leo, who there didst run a pub. Night after night, he would demand from this family a music so magical it would keep travellers and pilgrims captive under his roof, and they not realize all the porter they were putting away. Neither did it take him any time at all to realize his inn could not contain this music, and he released them from his spell.
I remember the very first time I heard the song on the radio. God, who is that? Who is that? What language is that? And then it goes. I sussed down. It was the Irish language, and it was the theme from Harry's Game, and I was blown away by that track. Absolutely blown away by it.
Together, they distilled the rugged landscape and the melancholy sky of their beloved Donegal into a music that could not be contained on any one island. And so they became legend throughout the world.
They weren't just an Irish success, they were a global success, and that I suppose for us helped us to believe that we could also possibly achieve the same.
The only really human quality to speak of is a fondness for Celtic mysticism.
What's that?
The music, man. Clannad. You like the music? And of course you do.
Now it is written that not since Sean O'Riordan gave birth to the nation has there been such unique talent to remind us of who we are, who we were, and who we can be. Ancient and modern at the same time.
Congratulations, you've been a big, big influence in our musical lives. We're delighted that you're getting this award.
Clannad, we owe you.